Isaac na obri ye bo anko na ebetumi ama wo enkonwa ene ne wardrobe ne dining ne bar ene ne dressing mirror e wo man we mu ane bo no e dafo Isaac na obri ye bo anko na ebetumi ama wo sa anyama we a e bo no ye fufufu wo peteki nkonwa Italy konwa Germany US Egypt konwa first class Isaac na obri ye bo na ebetumi ama wo na beto konwa Isaac na obri ye bo na service ka Isaac na obri ye bo anko na ebetumi ama wo enkonwa ene ne wardrobe ne dining ne bar ene ne dressing mirror e wo man we mu ane bo no e dafo Isaac na obri ye bo anko na ebetumi ama wo sa anyama we a e bo no ye fufufu wo peteki konwa Italy konwa Germany US Egypt konwa first class Isaac na obri ye bo na ebetumi ama wo na beto konwa Isaac na obri ye bo na service ka
too much GH sunni ebusua ebraso sa ensamwa ekoso wo manga na mu hase no de esene fata sa won so wo fie na wo se ne wo ebebo bohu na so de wa nkyere no eba no eno ene ne ya no pay matena se agya ye ba be ka ho asem eti me so pa cho sa wo ba so ana wa she edi ama me she ama ona fofo nyina na I like it so say and so no first time when you actually so and now subscribe to my face I had here e ya dia ensem we ko twi ko brema nyina no ya de eba be so mo ye nyina ye nim say afi wa ye wom ye de e ya critical pa because next year ne de be ye woto wo man ga na mu ha say ene ye wo ya batuo mu ye beto aba be yi o man pani foforo e de amaga na enti ene NDC ni MPP de enya asem ketoa we di we security ba ye hu de ye say people na yo say this na yo ye hu de enya kwa wo manga na mu na de ye kwada sori ye eye owura Thomas Kusibuafo o de nsem bi abatudwa some na work and in an watch say John Dramani Mahama and His Excellency the former president of Ghana. Papa na Sasha and Addo say best Sasha ba contest a year 2024 presidential seat no. I work at Ghana for nyina say mo forget no papa we. Mo forget the kwara dum poni bi e woni trimu no. Ba wo ba nyina no pese wo betena so a wo best Ghana constitution no. Na watimi asanso atena so another 4 years biem. E dem say Mahama the trimu poni na say wo pese wo sanso be di 8 years e wo ye Ghana yakonya yiso etire ye owura Thomas e se Ghana for ma mu fi no Ghana magunai o se ma mu to aba no fem ma no ensam ne de waka bebre e de ka ho ebusua ye ko ne ye konkoshe video no emfa emra ye ba ya kenyan ba be so
unya problem that this is the time afei na ode nima e ko anyina Ghana will not be the same. Ghana will progress. NDC and some paya meba ma wo. Na de bia me kan ye another secret. Me kan ya obetuma you so na mefreso. One. Don't Dramani Mahama. A person stage a quasi coup. In disguise.
John Dramani Mahama.
Yes. He staging a quasi coup.
In disguise.
Yes.
How is he doing it?
Yes.
How is he planning it?
Yes. Well, we are from and our friend Krofobi say or one person a constitutional arrangement, hoping that MPP will not accept, and definitely a lot of MPP people will say there be. So person or prepare proposals documents for change to the constitution, change in the constitution system. No, I call 8 times, or call 8 years. It is a 2 manual in an unlikely situation.
Only 4 years.
No, you will change Ghana constitution. The Mama will change Ghana constitution in 2025 November. We'll be beginning the process.
That 8 years should be successive.
Yes. Continuum. Continuum governance. CONTINUUM governance. Sano be freno.
He said, "Your 12 months 2024 say Kim."
It's a boom.
We should be ready so we try 8 years.
Yes, and Ghanaians must prepare. Muni danta mumpepieto.
Those are the plans ahead.
I don't know about all the changes and the communities in any amano kika boot for boot whatever. These are coming. Do or die. These are normally illogical statements. I know they are the chair, but the fundamental statement of John Dramani Mahama. I would like to change the constitution to suit me, John Dramani Mahama, to stay for 8 years in Ghana.
Hey.
And that is what Ghanaians must accept. And are you prepared? Ghana for what he has here. Over changing, he would do it. He would have the parliament. He will buy them. Obeton in millions of dollars and in cities. And they will say, yeah.
Including our very own.
Definitely you have suggested. Yakwaya the end the opera obutumu to say enkwada abremu ane de contest to obo no cry with them krodon aha winim term no your friend krodon etimu mo bia enso so John Dramani Mahama so he is pursuing 8 years under the disguise of 4 years. Now don't want to say 4 years and yet put me nyare na be pede. What are you coming to correct? If it is not a comic relief or a joke or something like unconscious logic, and our person profess to the people of Ghanaians, or is it a professional form of an insult? May Ben fear dan. When you ministers in here, now you're 7 months into 2025, then you have entered 2026. What can you do as John Dramani Mahama? In that time, yes.
What can you use the 4 years to do?
And he has a lot of unfinished businesses. John Dramani Mahama is the only president with a lot of unfinished businesses. One kumu anche kwasi apania wo moma nka wi fen wo pia so amana kopia makoma waka wi waka cho se wajimi kwasi apania o de wono a for the afia udru fifi wo uti afia je se dru wi wanka pia so na ntena koma and Ghanaians are prepared. More prepared now. John Dramani Mahama is never a choice.
Another 8 years under John Mahama.
It's never a choice for unya problem there. This is the time. I feel now de nima eko enyina. Ghana will not be the same. Ghana will progress. NDC and sumpa ya meba ma wo. Na de bia me kan ye another secret. Me kan ya obetuma you mefreso na mefreso. One, John Dramani Mahama. A person stage a quasi coup. In
John
disguise.
Dramani Mahama.
Yes. He is staging a quasi coup.
In disguise.
Yes.
How is he doing it?
Yes.
How is he planning it?
Yes. Well, we are from and Afric Media say or one person a constitutional arrangement, hoping that MPP will not accept, and definitely a lot of MP people will say there be. So person or prepare proposals documents for change to the constitution, change in the constitution system. No, I call 8 times, I call 8 years. It is a 2 manual in the unlikely situation.
Only 4 years.
No, you will change Ghana constitution. John Mahama will change Ghana constitution in 2025 November. We'll be beginning the process.
That 8 years should be successive.
Yes. Continuum governance. CONTINUUM governance. Sano be freno.
She said, "Your 12 months 2024 say Kim.
It's a boom.
We should be ready so we try 8 years."
Yes, and Ghanaians must prepare. Mun need danta mun pepieto.
Those are the plans ahead.
I don't know obey. All the changes and the communities in any man kika boot for boot whatever. These are coming. Do or die. These are normally illogical statements. I know they are the chair, but the fundamental statement of John Dramani Mahama. I would like to change the constitution to suit me, John Dramani Mahama, to stay for 8 years in Ghana.
Hey.
And that is what Ghanaians must accept. And are you prepared? Ghana for what you say. Over changing, he would do it. He would have the parliament. He will buy them. Obeton in millions of dollars and in cities. And they will say, yeah.
Including our very own.
Definitely you have suggested. Yakwaya the end of pray obutumu to say and quite every man here the contest to Obo no cray with them Krodong aha winim term no your friend Krodong. Etimumu obia and so John Dramani Mahama so. He is pursuing 8 years under the disguise of 4 years. Now, I don't want to say 4 years. What do you mean? Now, what are you coming to correct? If it is not a comic relief or a joke or something like unconscious logic, and our person profess to the people of Ghanaians, or is it a professional form of an insult? May ban fear dan. Will you ministers in year now you're 7 months into 2025? Then you have entered 2026. What can you do as John Dramani Mahama in that time? Yes.
What can you use the 4 years to do?
And he has a lot of unfinished businesses. John Dramani Mahama is the only president with a lot of unfinished businesses. Wonye kumu anche kwasi apania wo moma nka wi tan wo pia so amana kopia makoma waka wi waka cho so wagimi kwasi apania o de wo no a for the afi udru fifi wo ti afi je se dru wi wanka pia so na ntena koma and Ghanaians are prepared. More prepared now. John Dramani Mahama is never a choice.
Another 8 years under John Mahama.
It's never a choice for
Thomas Kusi Guafo, Ononyamfo, and Chief Executive Officer, Edema Public Sector Reform Secretariat. I know that I say you're quoting in Kenya. What in some in a good one, I don't know why MPP ni. 18 some walk and as I quite said, yeah, walk on it and I person was shut down. I can't send beer. A person would be campaign, yeah, or rat. John Dramani Mahama, and I'm out for baby, so can be said. And some walk and over point of power. It's a good for Mamma Swan, Mr. Pacho say. Also, I didn't know now what your mammy ever comment session one more making kind na Eddie, I'm a for I crowd dry and warm, ABD income coming home, now your common aquaba. Director than Bruce.
Yeah.
In Makaba.
Yeah, me there.
Or Bethia.
The
mouse aquaba.
Major.
Director, my measure sent through. Said the year or see air casa na constitution, betting as a son, betting as a son. Yeah, me per se would say a year constitution, or 5 year presidency, at the same, we bet as a son at any time, Yana.
You see, as even it stands now, constitution no is silent on whether Obibetimi are we standing after Olivi officer.
Okay.
Even after the first time, silent. The danger now, a woman say, John Mahama Nankasa o we need a ban Obibetimi their court.
Okay.
Because constitution no is silent. Constitution is silent on a subject. The only people who meet me are interpreting a Supreme Court.
Okay.
Enti say silent no be who say I dey we silent or bet in their court. Say okoko na Supreme Court can say enya allowed. I mean say you be sent to abani bi.
Okay.
Yes. Ni papa dey kan no munim kusipu afu ya. On say that nye die hard MPP supporters Oyobia oye liberal MPP. You can say liberal na dwene ekwa na ekwa. Otimi twa it's onye that hardcore MPP we ya obeka say me dey say na why there be near all can me tie na so there is something that we need to listen.
Okay.
Ese no ketia. Obi anim netia no all pre chairmanship no. Wo person wo be vice president. Wo we.
NDC.
There be say chairman no. Wo person anka chairman where we are. Mahama we are no obe flag bearer.
Edema NDC.
Thank you. Na the best in say John Mahama ofa Jane Mensa mati say ono no be fan as running mate na. No we need Jane Mensa no ye be man for 4 years pe.
Aden.
Ye wie be Jane Mensa na fio.
Aden ti na be 4 years.
Say me cheche mo ba. Ni e de ese ni getia ahye John Mahama ase. Eno na obesa constitution no. Osisa no nya 8-year term. It's time na John Mahama be sorry na ese ni getia watimi monopolize bibia na ya no straight the flag bearer of NDC. That is the plan.
I know your calculation.
I know your calculation. That is the plan. Simple plan.
That house. Who can get information?
They catch us a plan at the home. I see a new can draw two of some of society. 1 year, not a percent or yet the chairman of the party. Who's the constitutional party say the chairman of the party becomes what? The leader of the party.
Okay.
So say I am to obey. I said the leader of NDC. It would mean ye be obey. Now, as some of a panic, movie as I we constitution is silent or even say obesamba bi. Obabia obe say okay, constitution no I say yet to say once our barrett me stand bi even though was standing before.
Okay. Okay, so as a sanwa.
It's so person san obey. It I don't know, it takes what we call an act of parliament. Now, in parliament now, your parliament now, you must see na, you must send your corner. They can easily change it. You change it, it means that Dramani Mahama can go on to what? Have what? An 8-year term. Because constitution is silent or at the end already.
Okay.
It's in your body can not political. Yeah, say at the end, is it possible? Possible.
Okay.
Because minimum there, send your canon. You have two Abamawa. Even to take say so you ministers no, it take about 7-8 months. So I say, you need to what? Settle. Open settle not 2 years for. The next 2 years is what? We are going for election. It's a Dramani Mama. And you know ban or the 2 years now canon. Yes. Say yes or what? He did agenda bia. Bisao. It's an Akufo said, in his view, no, no 1 term, 7 years. And that's 6 years.
Okay, yeah.
Yes, because your first 2 years in the Afena, who shall send you back home. Now the next now this is a take time. Over my interviews and all that. It's not can near the boomine, young praying. It's a papa that's no can my political.
Okay.
Young new because my new wells are not John Dramani Mahama, and you know, person some baby.
That time people say oba no be changing na wonya 8 years term na money ana.
And it means that what's subject the constitution of Ghana. It's a coup.
Okay.
It's a coup.
Okay.
And that thing should never happen. The constitution as it is now, no, me can say take the powers of the executive in the soul. Now check this. Osioba. Obey sir Article 7 holders we know as guys and
yes.
And yet possible.
Aden.
Who here the judiciary, the legislature, which the parliamentarians, you need people to so make I just if you
now I need to on to me mom.
Sir process no it take about 3 years. And yet the ketwa.
It is a director say take about 3 years sir. Now say ni nyina mu no so person what so 8 years. What do you say nyama we nyina e bebo man Ghana? I think say enye bad.
Yeah, Dramani Mahama for 8 years. Yeah, President Biya for 8 years. Because make us have 2 term no more a waste. Osha President Biya ba the second term no kono. On the emphasis. On my way breath for nothing. Yeah, kwa him because on him say or last time into all this canon. Into me mom there John Dramani Mahama second term no bad. E agenda keke. And Obama said, box I can have our money or San Baba Mano. And other matter say, Miss Sano, Nama Quanim, That's the only mind. I don't.
My Ghana. The light of
President Bia Beba, Oba Lawyer Hospital, schools, and no achievements. Achievements, and so all the structure changes, Beba, make it natural. Free SHS, although and yet the best of winner. In the next 10 years, no, you better say Obia at least obey educated.
It's true.
Maybe Obia better some level of education. And then Mammy no talk or corner, the back Echo St. Augustine. I can first know how dare you. I can't wear. And then we try. If free SHS need to Obi back action water. I Mammy talk or call. Now say Matibi, yes, will be back or talk or call. No, also be TV to say the back of free SHS. We are making sure say that channel position the banner say may child bent to one because there be and you bent one here. Obi a wako school.
Okay,
they think you need different.
Who we SS now hotness.
Me back. And no your structure change. And no Obi a be. At least we're educated. The next level like here as president, you know, is somebody who obey industrializing Ghana. That is what we need. Because Singapore, now so I'm about here. I'm for Obi. I'm here one time lifetime what president. Any man with the things to do. And then the Singapore, China, develop education first. Uria for Juma bra. Because the labor is there, the work. And yet, I dare say to us, yeah, or we can come up and change constitution. And you know, here.
No, I don't know what to be now. So, Casa, Nutina, John Mahama, Eba, and yeah, Papa, and yeah, Kusino, I didn't say,
thank you. May I feel he has gone to correct mistakes. That's why he wants to come back. There has been a lot
because all kinds of free SHS and a good father, apart from free SHS, no, and there being a good father. Juma. What made Juma?
Meba.
That's a perform
Professor Bednego Kasembi was the last 2 weeks was saying, yeah, my Ghana more like a Obampenu Odia brought in a sense say. Free SHS as some okay, and no Biano was signing, no Biano was signing, and say, or betting me school about the yes, and kind. And say no Gabeya, and Cassa Woody Pan who share the talent, and as a Wusha Ghana for the number of people who wants to be architect, the number of people based on your business, the number of people based on your create a factory, create something for them. And to say, him say, Nipa Seme, be on to me go school. No one just saw the bear car. Create a company for toward them. Say, a home person with a car, and at least they've got a factory and they know say they can go there, invest cars, do this, do that. It's Sankasani money now, and for my gun and get day, ever higher. Other countries, you know, and you're going to school, but they've created a lot of businesses, a lot of opportunities for them, and you know, outside Ghana, you'll be able to school there. But Nipano, were inventing so the show because recently I saw on Instagram, on Facebook, and we're inventing motto. What so now we're inventing say not so. A beer only the not much or the buy no. And to not sad we were all expecting say and no beer betting your cost to think I can't think of buying and creative businesses, big factories that man. Wow, shall want to me go school. Say, wow, person hairdressing a Juma, who shall want to me go school. Hairdressing a Juma
but appear. So be a shoemaker. Now I go school. Shoemaking no in a different. What's in the American say?
Okay.
Or be a shoemaker. Not least when we SHS. Ubo say shoemaking no yen. What's me add the value to it. Ghana ya
value. SHS.
See ya normal taxi cars na use no. Most of them go school here. Uber na buy no. Mostly no obia or no banking sector, ya pamono. Into we are more educated. Now we should the way even almost driving anyway now quite different. What is school at the way no so no kasa the way nyama me kasa nya can you but the first point and they say money paninya education when your education na dwe cry different obi be jina no catch us mama ma 100 cedis na di machine yan kwa demonstration will you do it?
No.
Thank you because you educated. Obi on what baby only hwe na one go school yan o kan na do it. That's what I'm saying.
You want them conform omo educated omo jiji empefo sika ko to mama wo. Me ni bebre. It's not going well.
There be but this you know e be ba fam. Say no only say your friends politicians almost kasa almost show man tutu because say who can the word answer you. Yeah, check it back 92. The election, even the discussion, and then now it has changed. 92 near Bentua, when Messi KVIP to say subject no assessor because the same Polana or KVIP no re. And yet Bentua no re. What he said in Dutch no ever be it discussion no assessor and we need to encourage that. To me the school there me
school there we can say school yeah but school ni there Ghana has school doors no education. I don't be a problem.
Certainly, I'm saying the next president should what to
next president baby.
It doesn't matter who
president baby because it doesn't matter but who the campaign John the man Mahama so ba or no mention.
Yeah, I feel saying you have to learn some mistakes.
What just Mahama ba or bali na obi this car obi this phone.
Me say constitution is an here no.
Okay.
Oba your first 2 terms nothing I will settle down. Enti 2 years now can and even pan.
Now Baomiano ba na feel settle down.
No, Baomiano our chance to go for another term.
Now chance.
Yeah, make Baomiano.
Now okay, I will before
me nya go be president. And confirm you know. Either Kennedy and Dufo. I'm not before. Yes. Dufo utie the vision for Ghana. Utie
that's what they all
he could have done better is when that man was finance minister he did very well. Trust me. Never be on the buy who say yeah ma kwan ma wunni niam nyina person ye. The vision for Ghana is different. The vision is say ye moaboa na ekofo pagya.
Okay.
What I say ye moaboa na ekofo pagya. And no so na say edi Ghana nya. I say and anytime I say can I Agyapong no say one so any party say enselfo say jai. It's one ambitious mind that they want to do. But what man carry there? Young Congo.
Oh, that's not yet. Wouldn't him be a human? I wouldn't do that. Yeah, power to sue. Another Dr. Kufado. And some men one can. And some not is a and some like that. What should I put it? There be and some not also. And also saying, and that also. Beyond the first place, right? There be Niana said, maybe the idea is over to me. Niana said, the first 2 years now, but this school dying. What I say? Fear teachers who live over by fear teachers. Exactly, this school dying. Now, motivated teachers. Now, sir, wake up and we can do 2 years, we do not go physical. Wow, we start fear teachers. And you're planning the young new. Ghana will be our idea. But planning, no, I don't know. Yeah, planning. What sorry I say, and then yes say. What time yes say? You need long-term goals, and no need a problem in it. Wow, it's no idea so. By ideas in there short term. What's the way one district one factory? Now you need raw materials. And okay, first one. Factories now about this, you know. Near man about produce. Why are they better? It's a long term. You need to wonder as a year and on the alpha. Okay.
One district, one factory, and second, the nation policy. What I say, and yes, sir, as a baby bar and condition. Because a very good initiative. Say, Bronu Bias Manufactory. What I say? Bibi to say, carry the 4 years there, more, many care for your dream, more fast as a moment. Because Usi Sadiana will be everything of a bar. And can for going your baby na. Uko Toka, only your baby na. And she couldn't go see home. No, it's some of our politics, no, I BBN. Yes.
Obefia ma me ma so na director ka say school hu hia e was say abandia ba wo si school dia de na wa fe but who say Ghana has say no a for teachers yen show mo kra because say me e ka say free teachers no mo be come say wo study a omo ko teacher training na no omo nyina no wo passion for politics and yes say teaching no mo pe o say wo your teacher ni na rapport easy so be rap politics ni eto omo ye ni nyina no obia ni say da acho be rap enti no I say omo ni passion for the work and as you can be also nimuti no mo ni to hu ni say e was a government obeba next no ko timi e ma na ni quotation ho ana
yo yes sankofa wo we nchi mefa akonya nso achia too much gh apefo nyina da no mekasa mu ni hwa yeso ye ni ho nyankopon hia mo ne mo bre a mo nya mo hwe ye kia se ba no say teachers for ya na maseme me mobo pa ya na areho che say as a shada pay attention ba no shada pay attention to the teachers by a teacher for no mo kire ye nkwala na de no mo kire ya de e ba yesu di dum pempen so bi e wo ya brabo mu enti no sen ka the next government no e ba dia ana se be NPP na na sabet na so dia and na me ka tom so munti o mani pa anko a teacher for ho because city bibia mu no teacher ni wa enye ye ansa na omo kwa no omo du bebe moduru teacher ni na ye dey e kire o madue mo du sam pepeso no enti ehun be hia se wo so bo mo mani ye dey e kom na de bia begusa se e die ne wo sa eyi se o fa se ye president kwa entuncha e die ne wo eyi sit ni so pa like obia person or ye MP obia person director bia wo bebe na wa kire mu ya because I do not understand the reason why ya obia per se wono di no ho ekose amanyo skuobu anasa amanyo sem mentia se e dey put the show e ska kokko manganese bauxite and dey e show wo ba obia per se okoho no ko decide kro ni bi and Adams apple bia e na ye nimu
obia per se obo o mangana sa o me ka chiro Obia yes, and the vision no dey when. No problem ni say. Yeah my Ghana mo ha aside the teacher for inside me problem ni say. Yeah my Ghana mo say John Dramani Mahama e ba so no. Obesisi and die. O go pam kwan no so ho no ma. Ohu and there yesi. Ohu there yesi wo ho mo pa ewura etwa ho ahia. Ebe anwoma. I was expecting say John Dramani Mahama buy or Boahen and Kayeye MPP a memoya bay. I was saying come to and so no womo and to aso ebe people there. Some no ka say egusu si wrem. Egusu wa wrem o. Okay. Eti wo de hu de enti a obi apese wo na de enti a obi apese so omo nya she abuba so kwa omo nya she nti bi nim de enti so omo me kan kire and crash so wo no nti a wo mo nyina e press omo be ko ho no mo me kan kire ye afia besa busa wa biem say when you fi wo mi na no abawe ko abawe ba say wo de tun sanya so a FPP ni NDC no wo ni say why na one model anansi ya pa kom ni ni fensi nche na yem pro bi foforo you to ni bi no be dig Ghana for akase ni anim say ye na ye ko ha wo say be possible na meka ni say NDC abeye bi ko down ya ka say ye obi beba obi beye bi de si a certain point obi so beba ba be de aba beto aso enti no NDC ba ye no obeye bi obeye ye kwan ye na ye hui oboa ye na me the only thing na ye Ghanaians ye problem pa ye dum so odo na ho NDC anho didn't to me enrusa NPP so aba be ye de abeto aso dum so no so aye de esia no kwan even though say dum so na sha singles nkete but enye gidigidi to say eye NDC ni penso no NDC aya ade me ka say tu ni nyina no say ka we betina so anka be bo my girl omutu ni no my ade but senka different party rise ama the whole citizen I say yen Ghana for no yetimi atasa party nechi ama no so ba be anka be boy my girl because enen you say NDC MPP anya we ya you say we never anya we you say we never it is a different person but cause mostly mo bani no mo nye fifi so far no who youngest president bia we my God
Nigeria kokran ne yede omo nipa ochina na wudi yede na yede omo esisi yinshuma ne yeye
Empathy na to say akokra wu na de akokra bi ade ye na no wetu ahye dan
it was say this time around was say young person me say neno nyankopon boama John Dubelo aba be the president I mean be there
wow
because our vision no obi a won the president ko ba sha se kwa ye enfuo so also ye no ba ye den every ba it no and yes not just him but omo ye young no so mo suit me bold enough ebe contest ma ye toma omo I believe say because omo no was street in so omo nam street in so they know and maybe I can say e ya na pedi focus and beside me wani mu sino ade a me pedi mu mehu wa kola hu ni but one thing I am most important for so also mu ni say e bia 1975 ya wo mo penso no sa ni wana mo ye ya penso nye den enti no mo penso amemo no mo di bu ye no ba ye penso president dia or no be current situation I the year come on the youth to the pair on how are you to know lifestyle the active because or no so after situation now the ebi into he will know how to control my God I say he will know the inputs and things that he will bring into Ghana Bema Ghana suffer to my body Efra it is yet Mrs. someone can be boy na
if you are professional me that is blues but me busa usa question ya e wo sha wo my Ghana mu ha say ye betimi ayi different party Ghana for na betu adi na chi ye hwe Nigeria Peter Obi wo ye new craba how are you to di na chi you say Ghana ye betimi asi wa hana
2024 the last time I'm going to NDC MPP will Ghana so
okay
the next time I'm going to be a different party
amen
yes because I said the same people running the same things over and over again
yeah
boldness is omunya no mode ye no omunye one politician bi a go draka say constitution ni nyada onka because if ever
yeah
me person me ti obi anka John Dramani asem no be kan onim say emfa o ka ne kwa what I say bi onim say nkofo kasa tia S gasha the whole world Ghana pay the tua bi what I say enye jimi a enke be tua bi what I na make say enti eye time a yes enye obi a ono ni ideology ni different from what these people are doing because second person kwa anima enye say ne ayo wo bi accept wo bobosia onim say wo bottom sika na 20 Ghana what's my corporate bobosia 100 Ghana I mean do we live like that onim say o man sika ni na eni what's my corporate am say no abro o man sika na mo ni nyina so ma me de me nkwa kwose IMF nsa na ne de bia me ka say ye high foreign coaches ye compare Addo no me president ana me boa because ye ntimi mu ye man so and no go back of Ghana obroni wo ho or twes nyama ye na we ka chem say ye independent enye jimie obroni ku wo black man otimi ko na ko hwe ne omo ye but say ye timi hwe ye ho sunti eno na ye do ene we need a new change a new face
okay that's how Bruce message about Musubio now sana no and rather ya wa ha nyumra na chese ato ya chese ato man Ghana pa yo man nyira ye kopie wa santimamu a eye om new market kejetia Addo na friend Dubai
abusi abusi no mo say eye otumfo enesi e bi say John Mahama na si sara na akwa debate etini enim de osi ye eja etom wo ho na say de eja ne hye no akiri nsem aba no pay na asa na no yakoni yakwohwe video na how na eja ne si fa hye anyhow a fire service for omunduma mo ye yakwohwe enfamra
fire service me no montini nyake fire service me no montini nyake yaki. Fire service me no montini 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 yaki. Fire service me, we want to be Yankee. Fire service me, we want to be Yankee.
KJT market ho na woni mu say market kakaka da ho nyina edwa we nyina mita ba ko pe e na wo ho oi omo mita ne ba ko pe na edwadifo no emni bi atwam be last year ni mu no mo ba bonte be shu nya say ai o mita no ba ko pe dodo e ma esum wo ho obi e peso nya ne mita ne ade a ye hu e de kokosi ye na se dwa kesie yi obi e ton ne ma na mita ba ko na mu yusu a dan neja entom wo ho etisisi eja tom wo na nkofo nya ma hye no afei na bo sa so fa Ghana sika eja ko siesie eja ko ye bita fofo dia ma wo nyina na ye nim de mo patro man Ghana mu ase mpanifo ye nim fi say ye eja yom si ye ko NDC force ye si ye asate force wo tu fo na si ma ye etu obi e hu do ne so kwa kwa ne say ada na wo si dan ma ye no wan ye ehu akade e wasa wo ye de ma ye eya sabo wo man Ghana ha say that is a news bia ko hwe ya ra mo sem ye ya course we di yet we fe ko hye ba ye bia na sofu bia so ba so de wo man mu aka say ni wo hu bia roboa we di yet we fe ko hye spiritual bibia because me taba ko pe e na bo ye e ho no
a whole building.
Yes, a whole building e ya no fa ba mi ansa e so papa me taba ko pe na right who dey say
Sir, na make us a plan. Your planning is very poor because market we begin in cry. You see, and then say air condition. Na baby, I'm going to talk about the idea. The air condition with the other.
yeah
Planning in yet. Your planning has always been poor. Your roads are your drainage system. It's so petty penna baby for. But when you sometimes yes you can hear one. In a sense, baby no we know.
Ah.
Baby no
gas si wo.
coal pot. Ne gas for the we are saying coal pot. Na o my omu wi a electrical wires na bi won kwa ye lane yi. Enti ni na na I see enti bi sa say ah enti ye twen na kosi da bai.
Na dey take on na kageta ho na every time bia.
Anya wo mokola she na your market ni na connection na she na we she what is wrong with us?
na fe ma ejadi fara sa ko
As a one
Asa be dey you continue mo say demonstration.
yes you go believe say something deliberate na for ya na say dey no mo ye
to mi bi kwa na mo se ko fa bo be sa de bi dwa no mo sha da na ma hye nyema no
that's what she talk about
da bi band no e be che o se sika be bi kesi no o afa kesi no ma twa keto
no but decide you
You need your betimi aye.
me person me say ade we
what is I say
that me say me person me say no credit but no credit is sad you know am tm say market is that be see for in akoma to see e she enti yemfa ne amangu akwan sad no make
okay obafia market wo hwa adwadifo no na komo so na yo masade say ti say obi timi kwotena fiem otimi ka se nyama mita na kwani ni mita o ni fie ra ne tena se ka yo mate kwani mita if you run so wo be pin one pro woni sika ba kwaje a dey say adwadifo no makasa so kwani mita no o twa say government ne be ye dia ma wo
Mo say we no enye nipa individual NAC nye individual aban no government no na asie esen ko mo akasa na akwakosi dia ene wo ho kwansa wo ju meter de bo wo dem ba we akwakoye Ghana man nyina japade and internet ma ebia aban no eye ne saye de ma to want me fa wo pe nka say wo kwa ko ju mi te san say dem din kan kan enya wu sika na de ko siye enya wu bia bi sika na de ko ye de o de ko siye na mo ya ban ye nyina ye de japade and you don't have the right so be kwa ko ju kwa wo mita say bia aban na si edan no enya bia wa bucket no enya wa tete mu dia mo bia say Fesicabra fa better this portion. Fesicabra better this portion. Yeah, it is all this kako. Maybe I got a portion, a portion of market. And the other one say, oh, makoto market portion ye free a buying some. Every whoever that ye market nation in some. And some it's more quine, no one right say meet me the atometer the Agyapong. Nasa buying yan sama wa we market seller nasa be a John there. Won't mean young she don't have the right to use your own money to buy a bitter. And there's not acceptable.
It's government to know bro.
Government to was a meter. It's a big market. I meter to me about
market to the no don't the money Mahama when see you. So we prove one of my who said one next layer not what was okay. Now MPP buy and one twas so or not so buy now 1 cent car. Meet about no TV system because I do for last year no more young demonstration pa. Or you be one yet. If so only would say as Santa Mary on strong word, no matter what they will vote for almost as I'm telling you what with him. And looking at government to be able who is a high strong word into why she or hawk.
This has always been my problem, and I'm making can say. Senka buy we are buy Ebianka and this buy no Diana Kawabesi. Instead of Senka NPP be completing no or better Eddie now
complete here of
that is how it was supposed to be.
Yes.
That is how it was supposed to be. Say I buy a year a Japade BC one more. Not any time sooner or corner when to me and yeah. And was say I buy for from now what banana there or yeah the twasso. Anything I can say yan araya sassini a board in Dimaye Mojana Nanum Shegu editu or Maye and drew many would so say a baby guide at twasso. While I say Edru many would so sell bay would get me dear one casa. A dream be able to say baby guide at twasso. And in Yama Yana Nanum Yana Council Mosaji for the Kwame Kruma Bay Yeno. I buy your Obertois, so the friends a Yavaponia baby, Rollins Bertois. Even though so also did the memoir the buy. Among Pennock for buy Obertois. And that is an Edrum so that way so way just I don't know where Chinese sample no where Chinese sample. It's that's a general assassin die to know. I was sent a film more bano. Lady Eddie to an more boy my Ghana. And you not just a year baby at that was say baby at was so yeah. You won't yeah now went to me again. Wow buy and I was sent a weird be the Eddie twas so. Said a bear you're also people will in the bay at the twas or more my Ghana for to member. But because of selfishness, greediness in Tino, some my yam no chimas one as I know prepunya back on dear. May ma won't yet see my member twas and only a neck and only a neck Ghana yetima and a year breno. Seko oban penny ban and also by a twas and cast some men cascano ebia quoted before Friday I made the idea mine. But because say John Raman Mahama Bay well you know. And people buy no or no metwa so was starting a different thing altogether. But I go to meet says can go the starting a different project from zero. No connect the beer factory beef at their technical school or bet me the idea technical shop be said Kohana koyewe or bet me beer and we have to tell Kohana koyewe and can say my Ghana yet I actually
oh that's yeah. That's a bad news. When you are sentiment, Washa, Yana, or 2 4, or Katachi. As a way of doing or marketing in 1 meter, Anna.
Oh, who say, Akoko and 2 bigger. And ABI, no, Bahamas, no, our friend California, or Dinkomo, and young Comobia, so our 2 4 new baby names about a mountain. Because last week, yeah, I mean, we say easy to say, oh, more beer meter. Yeah, I mean, say whether on my year or someone year, Bomaka, some more beer meter. It's asked to me, I sure somewhere will make because sometimes the crowd now and for a day man air problem. What's stepping in? Enti but yes I was stepping na no aba be ka say bi ase ni say na because there be opening kasa sa nti say why na afamu de backstage no why as say kwa ye omkọ meter any but the question is why does it have to take long and then so because step in and someone say baby away you know oh me mom nyina meter na wana bill ne ba do ba kutia why na ba kutia because say bia mo nyema bebre me one more me say na me tua na say na kutia. It doesn't really make sense. It's here mo bia meter. No bia who say mimi die ni. Me talk credit na say mimi die ni. Na say afa na me cost store na kwaji. Adwen no eya enko ye papa.
Okay.
Enye ju.
Director Belru say ye sha. Video nya nya your boy ye. Ade say enumre be bo be no see about pound clock about no so that's to a jani buso she. What sha Ghana have fire service on maduma no enkoye and now say omo akasa no ye recruit omo no makasa no omo ni passion for the work omo ni mo she and now say government no and no one fasika enche mo ma which is
say fire service and kasa no omo ye preventive security ye kasa preventive so omo kire niam ye na efianche fire service about here
Dabi
thank you. When is a common round? There be out. Yes. A Juma mo esa komo ba. You be some 2 exits. Who are fire extinguisher? Who will say because fire bar and fa na offer.
Yeah.
A fear be say nya 2 exits. Because BBC wa ha utimi fa. E so mo hwe say a fear bia no yes no. But this house say ahe na ekọ obekọ office. No mo bo boys on komo. What I say?
Yes.
Number 2, only even equipment. One time we na a fear show about so. No mo ko he no ye wie na ebisa the person was say woman ni akane ye de kwa abasoro no so. Na so wow. It's a fear she. It's a abasoro na hia o mo ntimi num. Ensuo na hydrant fire hydrant ni aye no. Say no Ghana water. Aye tua fire hydrant ni ka no. Wo ma say ni nyina. It is say is as a papa o menye ensuo kura yi no e problem.
Ayasam
It's a collective way. I see you redefine say fire service no omo do be adie say. Eja ye na ehye. E na ye ten officer atwen am eja hye. Omo tu omo go krom. No mo education. Especially at this market no omo rewram ye ba ye hwe wo bibi dabi we ye nya wa ha. O prevent as an see. That's their duty. But you say we are Kenyan na dey see. Asana ya beja pepe ye dunu mu we.
Ma video ba ku bi say omo de eye atwede so for na ba me for no e sani fa de so this form.
Yeah.
Look at what is
yes, but you see, most of these things are preventable because Oko connection markets see a Kenya will be budget. Our market in him. One way, Bisa who say, first service I hear no more says, Mammy, Yanya de way because I deal with back your mind is sicker.
Yes,
why now all of my sicker? It's the first service, then the woman, man, you go back on nobody that. At your time, I say redefining what role they really play.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's about Bruce. Yeah, Grandma, I bet you now can be.
I can't only say, yeah, to me before no, you don't have to sit down for something to happen and suddenly you have fire service for. When in pa perfect say, baby, I would say no. Electric way now, we use. Enti agenti de bia na ka say bibini black man in Nyansa no wo dwene why you can't think man.
Yes, more preacher.
What you say wonim say ade isi hoi ana say ade e ben eye blogi me bojeni me ye den ya mistakenly no and from abeti me eku ebeti ya apa jaga kra kwa tare ade eso still na wo to na wo ye aduane na sasem si wi a waka say wo fire service for sometimes to be honest they get fed up with ye sometimes they get tired because say akwanya ye nkomo expect say ga wo ye timamuni na say yakopon ma unyansa at least you should apply it. No, I can't be system to say won't get say o say recruit as a fire service but who na kasana what one to do nim nyansa say baby a woti a wo ye aduane no bibi betimi asi ana wo de wonim pa bibi nim pa so still no wo betena ho na wo bojam wa ye aduane wo wiare wo baba ne na wo tena se na wo di na se wo ye na se ekọ peja na se shiwia o fire service ni Eti mostly no ye suban if we are ready to change and yema bebre ebe boaye ewo ye my Ghana mu ya kasa ne esu ne e ban na ti ye mu no ye nya ready say ebesesa na wo nya ready say ebesesa fa edu fire service wo da hye dia na say BBC dia wo to mi ka ko fire service ne enti wo na wo say wo su anya asa na wo so bibia no ansa na bibi bonya ye den esi ya ne meja bi to be konkoro obi no aduane oba konkora ni pa konkora ni jan wanu ni ye ena akoka no ena atija ena ahye enti ye to me before no ya me ye ku yo no
okay
ye na
that's how we go for last words go on.
Let's be what we call citizens and patriotics. My entra na o my yen say no wo papa sika ne de ma wo want na o ma edan ne hye. Let's be proactive. Yen hwe ade e be ye na ade ni nsi ye pesa no do ti market e hye enye ye ni wu se market na ha hye oja ba ku isu aye si su na hye e de ne ha ye
market ye de kwa ya wo samla
de a ponchipo okoba bi na so obo na bongo obi e de ne ha ye we need to set up as a nation ni nya nkwasesem no na fata ye yeah.
That's how we made our sense. I'm a chance after money, but you can come on. Yeah, I had the money to be seen. I was here for your brand. No, I babe. Yadama say, Mamma Jana Sudina, Yadama say, Yakupon, which Ramuna. Miss Rouse, a video now for our corner share mountain call for no some no memety in some way. Air coso, a woman gun, meeting any as soon a banana macro.
Isaac na obi ye bo anko an ebetumi ama wo enkonwa ene ne wardrobe ne dining ne bar ene ne dressing mirror e wo man we mu ane bo no e dafo Isaac na obi ye bo anko an ebetumi ama wo sa anyama we ya e bo no ye fufufu wo peteki nkonwa Italy konwa Germany US Egypt konwa first class Isaac na obi ye bo an ebetumi ama wo na beto konwa Isaac na obi ye bo na service ka